Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. In previous video, we discussed about the respiratory system, and today we are going to see about the human skeleton system. So, skeleton system functions as the basic framework of the body, and the entire body builds around the hard framework of the skeleton. Skeleton system gives the structure to our body. It consists of bones and the cartilage. Body without a bone is like a empty sack. Is like a semi-empty sack. Then babies born are consist of 300 bones, and the human body consists 206 bones. Then the anatomy of the human skeleton system. It is divided into two parts. First one is axial skeleton and second one is appendicular skeleton. So first one is the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton consists 80 bones. It runs along body central axis. Therefore, it is called the central part of the human being. So it consists of 22 skull bone, out of which 8 is cranial bones and 14 is facial bone. Then one hyoid bone and 26 bone of the vertebral column, 24 ribs bone and the one sternum bone. Then second one is appendicular skeleton. It is composed of upper limb, lower limb, hand, leg, shoulder. Then the next part of the skeleton system is the physiology. The primary function of the skeleton system is support, protection, storage, movement, and the regulation of the endocrine gland. So first one is the support. Then second, protection. Human skeleton system is protect our internal organ and the other organ by covering or surrounding them, including the organs are heart, lungs, brain, etc. Then third one is the movement. Third function is the movement. Bones provide the basic structure for the muscle to attach themselves, so the body is able to move. Then fourth one is storage. Bone matrix of the skeleton system is mainly involves in storing and preserving the different types of essential minerals, and it is the storage site for the fats. Then fourth one is regulation of endocrine gland. The bone cell present within the skeleton system plays an important role in releasing the synthesized hormone from the respective endocrine gland. So this is about the skeleton system. Hope you all like my video. Thank you.